Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace AC condenser. That's a little radiator on the front of Mercedes W163 ML-Class. That will be from 1998 all the way until 2005, guys. Stay with us. It's right behind the fence right here. We're gonna go ahead and start on it now. But please, guys, subscribe. Let's grow that channel together. Thank you for watching us. Alright guys, next thing what we'll need to do, we'll need to remove that trim right here. So you need to squeeze that part down, and the other one, there is one notch on the back down as well. Okay, and you can pull it like that. That's the one that I'm talking about, this one down and the one right here down as well. Now you need to pull it very gently on the side or you're going to break it. And this one is broken, one of them, somebody already broke it, so you have to be really careful with those. You can see that headlight was replaced and probably that's when they broke it. So now in order to remove it, you need a 10mm socket. Okay, and we need to remove that bolt here. We have two nuts on the bottom. Okay, like that. And now we can go ahead. You need to pull that thing up a little bit right here. You'll see in a second. Okay, like that. And now you can go ahead and pull the light out. Okay, still something holding a little bit there. And it came out. We'll just need to go ahead and disconnect the wires. Okay, you pull on that thing. You can see the white thing. Pull them out. This one, it has a black thing right here on this side that is holding there. Okay, so you can see, okay, those are the things I'm talking about. You need to, okay, pull this one like that and then pull it, and this one as well here. So we'll go ahead and remove this one exactly the same way like we removed the one on this side. So we're going to go ahead and remove that trim piece. Again, be very careful with those. This one, I can see it's cracked before we even started here. So you can see the pieces, oh, just came out. Somebody didn't do a good job there. So the three, one bolt and three nuts now that we'll need to remove. So bolt and two nuts. Okay, right there. We're gonna have, guys, amazing video on World Mechanics, how to adjust headlights. We have it on. We'll have it on our main channel, World Mechanics. It's growing crazy fast. Feel free to check it out. It's in the description below the video. Okay, and we're going to go ahead, disconnect the wires, just the same way we did on the other side. So now, guys, with a 13mm socket, we're going to remove the bolts for the upper radiator support right there. 4 on each side. And that's the bottom one we couldn't reach because of the headlights. Okay, right there. Okay, guys, we removed the 4 bolts right there. So now we'll see. We need to remove the fan first. So stay with us. We're gonna go ahead and do that now. You need to. There is 2 bolts right here with a 10mm one on this side. We got them loose so we can save you guys some time, and one on the other side as well. Okay, you need to pull that clip out. There is one on this side, one on the other. Let me get more light so you can see it better. Okay, and the other one is on this side right here, where the nut was. Okay, just like that. And now you just gotta change pull them up, you need to make sure you disconnect the wires right here. Okay, and get it out of the way. Okay, just like that. And next we will, okay, that's the condenser right here. There is a couple bolts, but one of the hoses, it's a little bit, one of the lines, it's a little bit hard to get, so we'll see how we're going to remove that now. Okay, one bolt with a 10mm socket there, or a wrench, and okay, we'll need to remove that clip as well because it's holding here. Just what we did on the other side. Make sure you don't lose those, you'll need them for later when you put it back together. Okay, and one for here. Make sure you don't have any freon in the system, any refrigerant, because when you remove the lines it's going to spray in your face. That's not healthy stuff. It can even hurt your eyes, so drain the system, vacuum it down. Okay, so you know that the system is completely empty and there is no pressure. Now with a 13mm socket we're going to remove the top line. Okay, right there. Okay, this one should be completely empty, but just in case, we vacuumed it down. Okay, it's still a little bit stuck. It's holding actually right here, you can see. So we'll need to pick it up a little bit here and slide it maybe. It's not the best design, to be honest with you guys. Okay, you can see we are gonna slide the tube out of the holder there. Okay, we're gonna get it out of here. Careful not to damage the seal. You can see just like that. And we have one more line holding down there. Okay, let me get the camera. You can see this one right there. Okay, that's the one holding, and it's hard to get to. So now down there, it's really hard to get to. So if you follow the line, it's that one here. Okay, so we're going to remove it with a 10mm socket there. Okay, from, oh my goodness, it's really limited room to get it there, and we probably need to get a low profile socket. Okay, came out. So that bolt, when we remove that bolt, we'll be able to pull the whole line out, okay, with the condenser and replace it outside. Otherwise, guys, you have to remove the whole front bumper, which is not too bad, but why to do more work than you need to. Okay, now we're going to get the bolt here so we don't forget about it, and we should be able to pull it out. Okay, it needs to come out of here as well. Okay, good thing we just saw that we have that plastic piece here holding. Okay, so we need to remove it somehow, and we have no idea how to do that, to be honest with you. We've never seen one like that before, but you can see it goes through here, it holds for the radiator here, and it just came loose. Okay, so now if we get the line out of the way, okay, that's a condenser, guys, right here. You can see that's the piece that was holding them together. Make sure you don't wiggle too much up and down. Good thing to watch the video before you start, because otherwise that's holding the two radiators together so they don't vibrate. And you can see it just comes out when you pull it out like that. There is a couple more here that just make sure that it's contacting both radiators and they're not vibrating. Okay guys, so condenser right here. You get a new one. What you need to do, okay, that's part number if you need, if it's the one just like ours. You need to remove that line when you receive the new one and install it on the new one in the same angle. Put everything back together in reverse order we took it apart, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.